We're all playing it, and it's called the social media game. The whole game of marketing in general is to make it easier for people to find you over your competitor. But I believe social media marketing is that plus one really important difference. Having people know about you is advertising. Shouty, loud, and often very annoying. Having people find you is marketing, or advertising without the shouting. Branding is making it easier for a customer to choose you or your product over others. Social media, in my opinion, is different again. For starters, it's already really super noisy. And unlike television or billboards, the marketing messages are mixed in with messages from your friends and family. The fact you're in that environment means you can't exist amongst the friends and shout like an ad. And you can't be the creepy uncle trying to sell at the Christmas dinner table either. It's also so out of place. Social media marketing is different. It's about forming relationships, connections, and building trust and respect through the value and insights you offer. And when it comes time to eat, share stories, ones that are real, relevant, and relatable to your potential customer. Be less about how much better you are and more about how connected you can be. And only sell to those who are wanting to be sold to. Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for your attention. Until next time, peace. Hey, thanks for watching. I really do appreciate anyone who watches all the way to the end of one of my videos. This is the part where I do the YouTube thing. If you like this video, if you enjoyed it, please consider leaving it a like below so that it feeds the algorithm and spreads these kinds of videos to people who are like-minded like yourself and wanting to learn more in this space. If you want to learn more about this type of content, the other step you need to take is to subscribe with the notifications bell on, so the next time I do upload a video, you get told about it and you don't miss out. Now, if you're interested in storytelling, personality-driven marketing, or even viral content, the next suggestion I have for you is to pick yourself up a copy of this book. It took me about 6 years of research to compact everything that I know into 220 pages. It's got exercises and free downloads and really is a great starting point for anyone wanting to set their voice and market themselves using video. It's available in the US, the UK, Australia, South Africa, Europe, and even New Zealand through all good bookstores. And of course, you can pick it up online via Amazon and Booktopia. It's called Like, Comment, Share, Buy. There's a link to the Amazon site down below. All I can say is it's a great read for anyone who's a beginner in this space, and I'm really proud of it. So if you want to help me out even, buy this book, give it as a gift, whatever you want to do. It's there. Anyway, that's all from me. Catch you on the next one. Peace.